Hello everyone, my name is Hindu and we are Team Green Guardians. The other members in this team are Manasvi, Tripura, Sumit and Surya. Our guide teacher is Lakshmi Sujata ma'am. We made an automatic plant watering system and our team will show how it works and its benefits. An automatic plant watering system is a device that waters plants without human intervention, using sensors to monitor soil moisture and a control unit to activate a pump whenever watering is needed. The materials needed for this project are an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, a relay, a moisture sensor, some jumper wires to connect everything, a pump, a pipe, an OLED display. Now I ask Sumit and Surya to explain more about this.
Namaste everyone. Now me and Surya are going to explain about the components and how the project works. So first, the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is a microcontroller that acts like the brain of the project, and it's connected to the power source, which gets connected to all and it supplies power to all the other parts so that the project can work. This is the breadboard.
The breadboard is simply a board so that we can connect any extra wires
From the Arduino Uno to organize them. Next is Sumit. Continue. So then the next component is the soil moisture sensor. The soil moisture sensor is a sensor that detects the level of the soil to trigger watering. And each plant can have its the project can it'll have different watering schedules.
and next is the relay.
The relay acts like a power source to the pump. And now next I ask Tripura to continue.
Namaste everyone, I am Tripura and today I am going to talk about the decision making of this project. If the soil moisture level in the soil is less than 30%, the plant is considered dry. The pump is turned on for 7 seconds to water the plant. A countdown is shown while waiting for 20 seconds for the soil to absorb the water. After that, if the soil moisture level in the soil is above 30%, the system displays soil OK on the OLED screen. Now I ask Manasvi and Hindu to talk about the benefits of this project.
Hello everyone, my name is Manasvi and this is Indu. Today we are going to speak about the benefits of the automated plant watering system. This system ensures consistent watering for optimal plant health.
It automates the watering process, saving time and effort.
Water is used efficiently, reducing waste.
It helps in maintaining better soil moisture levels for better growth.
It is also a user-friendly system with clear displays and controls. This automated plant watering system isn't only limited for small home gardens but can be adapted for larger areas like farms and greenhouses. This is also farmer friendly, it helps farmers reduce labor and also helps in large scale plant growth.
So now our team is going to explain more about extending the system for multiple plants. The controller can manage multiple sensors for various plants.
And each plant can have its own moisture threshold setting.
Watering schedules can be customized based on different plant needs. The system can have added pumps for efficiency.
The data from all sensors can be logged for monitoring and analysis.
This is Team Green Guardian signing off.
Thank you.